Alright guys, so today we're going to make a video on how to create a restore point in Windows 10. As we said before, you can obviously just go and search for it. We're going to do it a slightly longer way this time because we usually just search for things. So I'm going to open a file explorer. I'm going to click on this PC. I'm then going to go to Properties, which will bring me to this window. Once I've got this window, I can go to System Protection over here on the right. This will bring me to the window that I'm looking for. So I have a couple of different options in this portal. There's the System Restore, which is where I can restore based off of a point that already exists. It shows me which drives have the protections on, and so I can configure those. So I'm going to show you the configure settings. You can see here it tells me max usage or how much space I'll allow to be used for restore points. I can delete all the restore points and disable the system protection in this window. These settings will be specific to you, but we'll just, for intellectual purposes, you can look at it. Also, you have the create button. So I want to take my C drive and I want to create a restore point. Here it'll tell you to type to identify the restore point, so like the date. So we can say, this one says the current date and time are automatically added. So we'll do video restore point. We'll hit create, and then it will begin its creation of said restore point. So we'll go ahead and pop away for a second and then come back. Okay, so now that's done. Restore point was created successfully. So we'll hit close. I can then look here and recommended restore point, or I can choose. As you can see, I have the video restore point that I just created, and I also have the one from when Windows updated a few days ago, because I went from 20H2 to 21H1. So that's basically it for now for the restore points. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments, and let me know if you guys have any content ideas, anything you'd like to see a video made for. Other than that, till next time.